Introduce highlight features or overview summary of HECASA Lawn Mower Lift Jack. There are include HECASA Lift Jack Universal Fit for Ride-on Lawn Mowers and Garden Tractors, which help you to replace or repair parts more easily and effectively. High performance. Made of high-quality heavy-duty steel, the construction is stable and reliable. And power-coated finish make Lift Jack be more effective and durable for a variety of weather and environment, impact resistance, and not easy to break. Easy to use. In order to fit different lawn movers and tractors, the Lift Jack is designed to be adjustable, with multi-dimensional adjustments based on the manual handle adjusting the length, height, and angle, so that the farmer/user is adjusting the blades and wheels according to your needs. Easy to assemble. Bolt-on assembly, convenient and quick. There is no need for additional drilling or modification. After use, it can be folded up easily into garage, more space saving. HECASA has the most professional engineers and the strictest product inspection. We are committed to researching and creating the sleeve hitch. You can always find difference in your life with HECASA. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.